In the beginning, Genesis. As light falls across cold metal, possibility awakens. Immense force gives it shape. And its outline slowly emerges. In precise sequence, lightness and strength come into balance, refined to the finest degree. Craft becomes the truest measure. Colorless, the body is reborn. A one-of-a-kind color, made for one alone. Sets and hardens at lower temperature, sensing even the faintest trace. Refinement fills even the unseen. Two worlds pursuing perfection converge and become one. With the human touch added. Light. Balance. Senses finely tuned. Meeting road and wind within these walls. Arriving at silence. All that began in cold metal becomes one quiet perfection.